Best chest workout for beginners. Incline barbell press 3 sets 8 to 12 reps. Flat barbell press 3 sets 8 to 12 reps. Pec deck FLY 3 sets 8 to 12 reps. DIPS 3 sets 8 to 12 reps. Cable crossover 3 sets 8 to 12 reps. PRO to flex your muscles after each set to increase blood circulation, which can help in recovery and growth.
Want all your sleeves to be ripping on your shirt this summer, then do this insane arm workout right here. Tricep rope pushdown to start off, 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps, and make sure it's slow and controlled of every single rep with a slight pause at the top in the stretch position. Use 2 ropes together if your gym has these. After, we're doing an overhead tricep extension, 3 sets of 15 to 20 reps. These are absolutely killer, building them big ass triceps. After that, grab a single rope attachment. If your gym doesn't have one, just use a normal one and pull it through. And you're going to do a single arm cable extension, 3 sets of 15 to 20 reps with a squeeze on every single rep. If you think you'll love this workout, then drop me a follow for more. After that, we're doing dumbbell hammer curls seated, so there's no swinging about cheating these reps. 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps. This should get the biceps warmed up now because we're going to fucking destroy them. Then machine preacher curl, 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps and get a good squeeze on these bastards. Moving into easy bar curls. After that, 3 sets of 8 to 15 reps. This one absolutely kills as a finisher, and that's how you fill your shirt sleeves.
अपनी जिंदगी का मैं खुद बादशाह हूँ, मुझे नहीं जरूरत 2 पल के सहारों की।